How to use Google Drive effectively. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to use Google Drive effectively, first of all, you have to install the latest version of Google Drive. So you can simply launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Google Drive. So let's search for Google Drive over here. And as a search for it here, you can see we have already installed it and we do not have any updates available. So you can simply tap on open. Now make sure that you're logged into your account as well. So what you simply need to do over here is you can upload any files in your Google Drive by tapping on this plus icon, and you can upload any Google Slides, Sheets, Google Docs, or scan any documents and upload any folders or documents as well. So if you want to scan it, you can simply scan it, and if you want to upload it, you can simply tap on upload and start uploading your documents or pictures or anything that you would want. So I'm going to select one of these over here, and it will be uploaded with proper connection on the device. So when you have your documents uploaded on Google Drive, it will be saved and backed up even if it's removed from your device. So you can look through it even if you do not have that particular device, but through that particular email ID or the Gmail document or Google account, you can definitely look for it. So you can share the files as well by tapping on shared, and you'll be able to see all the shared files and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.